Hello, in this video I want to show you how to unlock and join factions in Last Epoch. To do this, first we'll need to open the Factions tab. It's under Y on the keyboard or by pressing on those three lines in the bottom right corner. And then you'll be able to pick between two different factions. There's Circle of Fortune or Merchants Guild, and you can't pick both of them, you can pick only one. And to actually unlock them, you will need to progress through the campaign, and at the last act, I think it should be in Divine Era. Yep, it is. At the end of the campaign, you will find the observatory and also there will be secondary quests that will unlock the factions. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.